you to the 14th graduation day.
We are extremely glad that you are in Bethany.
Now that we have seen, we see, we believe. Today I'm very happy.
My dear fathers, sisters,
Saya kupulai Sister Mrs. by Lawan Hashnam Jongi Happy.
I came here to learn tailoring and dress design.
Why do we need life coping soft skills?
we need life coping soft skills because these skills make our life smart, develop our talents, give us courage, and make us always happy.
We start cutting the hair from the bridal section.
Thank you for joining with us on this memorable day.